Great to have you with us. It's round 4 of the CNI, the Central North Island First 15 competition. No action coming to you this afternoon from Lindisfarne College in Hastings in Hastings for the match between Lindisfarne and Whanganui Collegiate. The Central North Island First 15 rugby comp got underway in 2012 and really pleased to be able to bring you the action today live on Whakaata Māori through Māori Plus and of course on the YouTube channels. Once again, CNI Rugby, live and in living colour in your lounge rooms via Whakaata Māori. We are underway, 70 minutes of action. As always in any sport, the start's so important and it's a pretty decent haul to get things underway for their work here early on. Both teams, they've got some improvement in them as this ball has just eluded the man at the back who decides to snap onto the football. And look at that little dance down the chalk as well. Great run from Reed Palmer. Haven't had much possession so far in the match on the far side of the field though. They shuffle it across, trying to wind around, some pressure on. Little ball back on the inside, which is clever and well controlled. Another opportunity continues. Quick tap and go. Lindisfarne on the boil, using it through the hands. Expansive. The bounce now will be questionable. Instead comes into the hands of the winger over the top. An ambitious ball, but it was the right thing to do. Very nearly stuck. There's a nice piece of work there from McDougall. Looking back on the inside, far from Masanga.
Ko tino a whakarite I ngā kapa, I ngā prakatihi I Whanganui Wiki.
Well, they climbed high, but it went right at the back, and then it was picked up by Lindisfarne, who worked their way forward. Solid run put in there by Beck Allen. Now it's through the hands. Cut out ball on the far side, and the kick. Smart thinking. Good chase here from Lindisfarne too. Now the ball bounces into... Again, solid work from Allen. Short side play. Lindisfarne, little dummy, good run. And that's a try in the corner. Well, congratulations to Lindisfarne. They've had precious little football, but what they do have, they've utilised it with ultimate success. Down the right edge. Difficult conversion for the 12, but he strikes it quite nicely as it got the legs. It hasn't eventually, and some of the young guys enjoying being out of Kura today and out on field number 1 supporting their first 15. Such proud traditions through these CNI schools, all 10 of them, and each will feature on Whakaata Māori's coverage throughout the year. Beautiful dummy. Great defence too, sliding cover defence put in there by James Olds, the vice-captain for Whanganui Collegiate. Down the right edge again, the wheelman, and he is smoking it on the chase and looks as though he might have even got there first. Rupert Smith into score try number 2.
Ko ia Dale, ko ia te furu peke o te kapa, te poro te hawhi peke, ko huri whakaroto, te paoro ki te huku o te nono ke te namawaru. Ane ko Whanganui, te tami o te poro me te karo whakaroto, ko rima te tawhiti, te taha maui e haere ake nei. Anei a awhamasanga, piki whara, he ua te rutu I aia. Lindisfarne. Te tihi o ngā kairiwhi ko kaki whira ko Whanganui, ko Charlie Devane tēnei. Devane ki ngā pauraka approaching, prouting, scouting, tata tonu. Ana mawhitua James Old te kai kāpene mana rātou e arahi. Ko whaipiro a Whanganui.
Great conditions in Whanganui. In fact, the second time this week we've been in Heretaunga with Hastings boys, part of the Super 8 comp against New Plymouth over the weekend. Here's the conversion. Flags are up as we see once again the home team Lindisfarne with possession. Really liking the way they're wanting to be expansive with the football. But obviously that comes with risks at times as we see this right edge again threatening for Whanganui Collegiate. This time settling it back into the big units from the engine room. They grind their way forward, prepared to take their time. Here's some spaces opening up for Lindisfarne and out the left edge. Beautiful run towards the line and a fabulous try down the left edge. What a way to respond to conceding a try just a few moments ago.
Ana, te kai kiki e whai ake nei tātou mā ko TK Taylor. Pakari te hanga o te poe nei.
Looking to add the extras, already 10 up. Can they make it 12? That one has gone astray. Yes, the...
Te hoariri. Whanganui Collegiate tēnei. Rutukau marua mita te tawhiti. Te kai kāpene e arahi ana I tana tīma. Benjamin, karatau. Kei te whea taha. Te hamatau. Pauraka tēnei. Engari ko ia me tana kotahi. Whanoko hia te poro ki a whamasanga. Hoki mai anō.
From both teams. Te tauri te tonu ngā kapo e rua. This time, splitting the stakes. And a valuable 3 points here. See what the attitude here is for the home team this time around. And again, dishing up strong. Another powerful carry this time around. A little bit of sting in the tail here for Lindisfarne. The inside ball was beautiful. Fletcher Dawson gets a really great ball on the inside from East.
Te piki whara nei a TK Taylor kuia hoki te kai kiki te furu peke ko whai wāhi atu ki wainga pui te whira kei reira. E tehi o ngā kai rutu, arā ko tamihia te poro ana ko tau, ko hokona atu te poro.
Little pause and play, important this take, beautifully done. Through Tizard. Replacements have added a little bit more sting to the tail of the Lindisfarne attack. There's another man who's in there to do just that. As we see a great run too, and it's Tawarangi Puketapu Pene into score for the home team.
Good Pene.
Ida. Looking for the extras, Taylor. It's this one that looks better. Flags are up, scoreline kicks out just a little more, 29 points to 10. Back to the lock forward. You can see the posts just in front of Lindisfarne. They too can smell the line. Good carry once again from Tommy Griffiths there in 17. Tizard delivers up. Danger time here for Whanganui. No doubt about it. Straightening up the run is Taylor. Close to the line.
Taha maui I nāianei, short ball, tuku poto, pai te rutu. Taukati ai engari ko te tiki, te pauro me te tau. Ki te rārangi, ana ko Logan Timms tēnā.
Pretty pleased with how things are panning out. You're watching round 4 of the Central North Island First 15 competition for Tuportal. Here's the kick from wide out. That's waved away, but the scoreline now ominous. This is Hunter. Back to Tizard. Little dummy as well, creating some opportunities up the top. Beautiful hands this time. Charlie Tizard's really got himself involved in the game since he's come on as a replacement for Smith. The bounce important on the far side of the field, and then back on the inside. A beautiful try scored as well from Sam Britton. That's a good reward for him. A difficult conversion. But this young man is a picture of concentration. Strikes that one. Has he got the direction? Not this time.
His ability to reset and make decisions on the fly is somewhat surreal.
The young fella's just trying something different. I'll tell you what, the fullback's been strong today. Reed Palmer has the ball, finds himself into a hole, and then another, and then another. Runners on the outside, beautifully delivered up to Hunio. Now that's solid football, and great reward for the fullback Palmer, who's had a really big contribution to the success.
This is 17 and Griffiths. the reserves certainly come on with gusto. This is Thal. Pick and go te mahi. Aha ko te paku o ngā mita e kaingi ana e Lindisfarne, short ball to TK Taylor. No other man deserving more than to close out the game. It's been another proud chapter written in Central North Island Rugby, Dale.
Yeah, there's no doubt about that. The number 10, Tawarangi Puketapu Pene, I mean, he led the haka proudly, and he too has contributed greatly. Some fantastic performances across the board, but at the end, a big blowout in the second half sees Lindisfarne College, first 15, with a big win over Whanganui.